Yeah. Today we will discuss how to write a C program to check whether the given number is prime or not. So we'll include the necessary header files as include the standard IO.page. As you already know, every C program starts with main function. So we have to read a number from the user. Before that, we declare a variable num. We will store the number in that variable num. So we want to read. We have to read a number from the user. It is possible using scanf person d person num. Whatever the user enter, that will be stored in the variable num. Before scanf, we print a message. It will increase the readability, print and a number. Now the entry number is, when you execute, entry number is printed on the console, and due to scanf, the cursor is waiting, so it is asking the user input. It is waiting for the user input. Assume user enters some number that is stored in the num variable. Now we have to write a piece of logic to check that number is a prime or not. To achieve this, we want a loop control variable I. I declare I as loop control variable. I am writing now for loop starting from 2 and I less than num minus I less than num I plus plus. It is less than num or less than or equal to num minus 1. Both are same. So the logic here is, this loop will start from I equal to 2 to num minus 1, and we will check, we will try to find out any number in between 2 to num minus 1 is the factor for num or not. If you find any factor in between 2 to num minus 1, that is not a prime number. That is our goal. So to achieve this programmatically, if we have to check whether this I is a factor of num or not. That is possible by finding the remainder. If num percent I equal to 0, means that I is the factor of num. It is 0, we will break the loop. Now we have to, I want one more variable flag. Initially 0 assume. So I will make flag 1. Will make flag 1. If flag 1 means we have identified, we found a number, we found a factor in between 2 to num minus 1. That is the logic here. Now, when you're coming out of from the loop, you can see now we are checking if flag equal to 0. If flag equal to 0 means that we didn't find any factor in between 2 to num minus 1. That is the meaning. If flag becomes 1, means there is a factor in between 2 to num minus 1. So if flag equal to 0 means that the given number is prime number. Else it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. Yeah, we'll check now whether our program is working properly or not. Execute, compile and run. So it is asking a number. I'm giving now 5, prime number, right? We'll check once again for not a prime number. Compile and run. It is asking a number. I'm giving 4. it is not a prime number.